Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your boys, I am to your local guru, and I'm here with
Kali Africa.
yeah. Just tell me, man, what's happening in Mhlanje? What are you doing here?
I'm just here to have fun, to support my boy, Tumelo. Yes.
Yeah, I always see you guys on social media, Sino Mandoti too.
Yeah, always together.
That's your boy.
Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy.
Shout out to Tumelo, man. Tumelo, we're here at the Lookout Hill and Kayalisha. This is for you. We're supporting you. It's the last boys worldwide boot sale and the launch. Come on, you're dripping. I love the clothes. I love the drip.
Thank you, bro. I love your drip too, bro. Like,
hey, I
see you,
shut up. So I'll tell you, man. Tell me, what's the vibe in Mhlanje? What are you looking forward to?
Yeah, I'm just looking to have fun. Yeah, and then also, guys, I'm single. So I'm single, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So who's single?
Yeah.
So I don't know. I think my tati was single.
Oh, okay. No.
But like single. You know, people look just like a number one Lisa. I don't know. Okay, actually no. Instagram handles.
Kali_Africa. Yeah.
So if you're looking for a partner, you know that can drip, that's single too. So make sure you go to Instagram and follow. And I thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Like that.
Thank you.